My brothers and sisters, this video can take some long time. But by the grace of Allah you will achieve some significant details. So watch this video to the end to get full benefits.
The world can be a demanding place. We face challenges, anxieties, and moments of pure joy. But throughout it all, there's one constant source of comfort and guidance, Allah. This lecture explores the beautiful practice of supplication, dua, in Islam. It will show you, through the power of the Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, how to develop a deep and personal connection with Allah. This isn't about a specific formula or guaranteed outcomes. It's about building a lifelong conversation with the all-knowing, all-seeing. Finding solace in difficult times. Think of Prophet Yunus, swallowed by a whale in the darkness of the ocean. Despair could have consumed him. Yet, the Quran tells us what he did. And remember when the man of the whale stormed off from his city in a rage, thinking we would not restrain him. Then in the veils of darkness he cried out, "There is no God worthy of worship except you. Glory be to you. I have certainly." In that moment of vulnerability, Yunus turned to Allah. His dua wasn't fancy or poetic, it was raw and honest. And Allah responded, bringing him salvation. This story is a reminder that supplication is a lifeline in hardship. When words fail you, a simple, Ya Allah, O Allah, can open the doors to peace and strength. The power of gratitude in supplication. We often focus on asking Allah for things we need. But supplication is also about expressing gratitude for His countless blessings. In the Quran, Allah says, "Your God is only one God. There is no God worthy of worship except Him, the most compassionate, most merciful." Take a moment to reflect on these blessings, the air you breathe, the people you love, the beauty of the world around you. Let your supplication overflow with thankfulness. A grateful heart is a heart that is receptive to even more blessings from Allah. The stories of the prophets. The prophets were all examples of fervent supplication. Prophet Musa prayed for guidance before leading the Israelites out of Egypt. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, sought solace in supplication during moments of difficulty. These stories teach us that supplication is a core part of faith, practiced by the greatest people who ever walked the earth. Hadiths on the importance of supplication. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Supplication is the weapon of the believer, the pillar of Islam, and the light of the heavens and earth." These powerful words highlight the importance of supplication in our daily lives. It's a weapon against despair, a pillar of our faith, and a source of light in our darkest moments. Making your supplication meaningful. Here are some tips to make your supplication more meaningful. Sincerity. Pour your heart out to Allah with genuine sincerity. Humility. Approach Allah with humility, acknowledging your dependence on. Persistence. Don't be discouraged if your duas aren't answered immediately. Keep asking, with faith and patience. Make dua according to the Sunnah. The Prophet taught specific supplications for various situations. Learning these can be a great way to structure your duas. Conclusion. Remember, supplication is a conversation, not a transaction. Talk to Allah openly and honestly. Share your joys, sorrows, and fears. Seek His guidance and thank Him for His countless blessings. As you develop this beautiful practice, you'll discover a deeper connection with your Creator and a newfound strength to face whatever life throws your way. This lecture just scratches the surface of this vast and beautiful topic. There are countless hadiths, stories from the Quran, and personal experiences that can further enrich your understanding of supplication. Keep seeking knowledge, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep talking to Allah.